Livi is making banking easier for you. So now you can open an account in the time it takes to order your coffee. First, you'll need to register your phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code. Next, verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the type of Hong Kong ID card you hold. All Smart ID cards are accepted. Then, put your Hong Kong identity card on a white surface. If you're using an old version of a Smart ID, you'll need to take 3 photos of it, at different angles, as directed on screen. Have a new Smart ID? You'll need to take 2 photos of the front and 2 photos of the back. But be careful of glare and shadows. Now you'll need to take a selfie to validate your identity. Focus here, keep your eyes open and inside the circles. Blink once to begin. Follow the simple on-screen instructions. Hold for a few seconds, then blink to confirm. And finally, please fill in your personal information. That's it. Sign up for your Livi bank account today.